In this video, I'll be finishing the part 2 of 10 writing tips to improve your script, tips 6 through 10. So let's jump into it. Tip number 6, make sure your characters are talking to each other, not to the audience. Okay? So stop making your exposition so obvious. Exposition is born mostly of the characters talking directly to your audience. If it ever sounds like that, rewrite what the characters would actually say in the real world to each other. Now, see if you can add that same exposition into this new conversation, but naturally. Tip number 7, eliminate all the on the nose dialogue, which this will go also with the part 6. Always try to have something going on underneath the dialogue scenes. Make a character say one thing, but we know they mean another. Don't have your characters constantly saying what they want, how they feel, and what they're thinking. They need to have a hidden agenda or have hidden thoughts behind the words that they're actually saying, because that's what's real. Tip number 8, set up several big questions throughout your script. Once you add those questions, don't answer the questions right away. These will act as suspense threads if the questions are compelling enough. And if done successfully, it can keep the audience or the reader guessing and interested in the script. If you're getting a lot of great information from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe so I can continue giving you tips and tricks to writing a successful story. Now let's get back to the video. Tip number 9, focus more on character. One of the biggest problems from new writers or amateur writers is that they focus too much on plot. The plot should happen to and for the characters. But remember that the audience will connect with your characters, not your story. So focus on what the character is battling and what their flaws are. A plotty story gets boring, and a character driven story is what is successful. Just think about all those movies that they're making that are all about character plot, right? It's all character driven, not plot driven. And those are what are successful and what most audiences or viewers want to watch. The last but not least, tip number 10, read your script out loud. I always read my script out loud because nothing will improve your script faster than reading it out loud. You'll hear how natural the dialogue comes and which ones are too much of exposition. It'll help you catch your grammatical and spelling errors. So the best way is to invite some friends over and have a table read to listen to how it sounds. Trust me, it'll be worth it as an investment in the long run. Thank you for watching this video. If you missed part 1, I'll have it linked right here. And if you want to see how to write a story plot arc successfully, just click this playlist here. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. See you guys in my next video.